In today's assembly, I'm going to be reading you a story called Mixed. I've chosen this story because it highlights the importance of the British values of tolerance and respect. And recently in the news, I've seen lots of stories showing people not treating other people with tolerance and respect and not treating them fairly because of how they look or because they are different from each other. This story highlights the importance of those British values and also shows that understanding and acceptance of our differences can help make the world a better place. I hope you enjoy listening. In the beginning, there were 3 colours: yellows, reds and blues. Reds were the loudest. Yellows were the brightest. And the blues, well, the blues were the coolest. Everyone lived together in harmony until one of the reds said, "Reds are the best." The yellows disagreed. "No, we're best because we're the brightest." And the blues were too cool to even respond. The colours decided to live in separate parts of the city: Redville, Bluetown and Yellow Heights. But then, one day, a yellow noticed a blue and something happened. "I feel so happy when I'm with you," said the blue. "And I feel so calm when I'm with you," said the yellow. The yellow and the blue became inseparable. Life was so vibrant. But not all of the colours were happy about this. "Colours shouldn't mix," said the reds. "I don't like yellow's effect on blue," said the blues. "That blue isn't bright enough for the yellows," said the yellows. But yellow and blue loved each other so much, they decided to mix. Together, they created a new colour and they named her Green. Green was bright like yellow and calm like blue. But really, she was a colour all of her own. Everyone was fascinated. "She's so cute," said one red. "I've never seen anything like her before," said yellow. And even the grumpy colours fell in love with green. The colours began to see new possibilities, and soon other colours mixed and mixed. And mixed and mixed. There were so many new colours and a lot of new names too. "Be careful, Jade. Don't forget your glasses, Lavender. Have fun, Amber." The old neighbourhoods of Redville, Bluetown and Yellow Heights didn't make sense anymore. Everyone wanted to live in peace together, so they rebuilt the city. The new city was full of colour. It wasn't perfect, but it was home. The end.